Why go digital? Dentists use radiographs for many reasons: to find hidden dental structures, malignant or benign masses, bone loss, and cavities. What exactly is a dental X-ray? A dental X-ray image is formed by a controlled burst of X-ray radiation which penetrates oral structures at different levels, depending on various anatomical densities, before striking the film or sensor. Teeth appear lighter because less radiation penetrates them to reach the film. Infections and disease. Dental caries, infections and other changes in the bone density, and the periodontal ligament appear darker because the X-rays readily penetrate these less dense structures. Dental restorations, like fillings and crowns, may appear lighter or darker depending on the density of the material. X-ray dosage. The dosage of X-ray radiation received by a dental patient is actually pretty small to begin with, around 0.150 MSV for a full mouth series according to the ADA, equivalent really to a few days worth of background environmental radiation exposure, or similar to the dose received during a cross-country airplane flight, concentrated into one short burst aimed at a small area. Once photographic film has been exposed to X-ray radiation, it needs to be developed, traditionally using a process where the film is exposed to a series of chemicals in a dark room, as the films are sensitive to normal light. This can be a time-consuming process, and incorrect exposures or mistakes in the development process can necessitate retakes, exposing the patient to additional radiation, let alone the exposure of the person in the developer room using traditional chemical developer solutions which are toxic. That's where the advantage of digital X-rays comes in. The dentist replaces the film with a digital electronic sensor, which has become the most widely used method today in dentistry, as technology has evolved greatly. Digital radiology requires less radiation, and images are processed much more quickly than conventional radiographic films, instantly viewable on the computer screen. Intraoral cameras are used as well to capture computer images that may be saved and later used for comparison, or of before and after pictures showing how the dentist has improved the patient's conditions. Digital exam is a better exam. This is definitely a true statement. It is possible for both tooth decay and periodontal disease to be missed during a clinical exam, and digital radiographic evaluation, also known as the digital X-ray exam, of the dental and periodontal tissues is a critical segment of the comprehensive oral exam. This photographic montage below depicts a situation in which extensive decay had been overlooked by the dentist prior to radiographic evaluation taken with a digital X-ray sensor and intraoral camera. Now look at picture A on the top left. This preoperative photo of tooth number 3 reveals no clinically apparent decay other than a small spot within the central fossa. In fact, decay could not be detected with a traditional explorer. But look at B. This is the digital X-ray. Upon radiographic evaluation, however, it revealed an extensive region of demineralization within the dentin. Look at the arrows. Of the mesial half of the tooth. When a blur was used to remove the occlusal enamel overlying the decay, a large hollow was found within the crown, and it was discovered that a hole in the side of the tooth large enough to allow the tip of the explorer to pass was contiguous with this hollow. Moving on to picture D, after all of the decay had been removed, the pulp chamber had been exposed, and most of the mesial half of the crown was either missing or poorly supported. Now is the time to go digital. As you can see, digital x-rays is the way to go. It is the way of the future. And if you don't go that route, you're going to be left behind. Call us today at 1-800-273-5033. Thank you.